One of the chapters in Equilibrium is exercise the body and the brain. Well, here I am sitting in a dentist office. It's not the normal place you would expect us to talk about exercising the body and the brain. But it is a place where the body is cared for. A dentist office may not be the place that we always look forward to going to, visiting, but for many of us, the dentist office is not a comfortable place. I live with epilepsy and have to be careful about the lighting. Notice that the bright lights are not on here. And fortunately, I have a wonderful dentist, and all of those who work here at this dentist office care for me carefully and with kindness. And while they have to work on me and turn some lights on, they let me keep my glasses on. So they are caring for me in a way to take care of that part of my body. But one of the things that helps me to process being in a place I don't always like to be is to exercise the brain. One way to exercise the brain is, of course, reading. We want you to read my book, Equilibrium. Reading, studying. We often think about that. But another way to exercise the brain is to rewire our method of thinking. Neuroplasticity, using different parts of the brain and exercising the brain. And for many of us, we may be sitting in a place in life where we are not comfortable, but we can choose to think differently. It's like the renewing of the mind, thinking in new ways, finding a better balance instead of the extremes of I'm afraid, I don't like to be here, I'm worried, I'm anxious, I'm angry. It's like calm the brain. Just let the brain be this place of being led beside still calm waters, and think differently, pray differently, focus differently, and sit in a place like right here and relax, breathe deeply, and think better thoughts and find peace